Hello beautiful people, our recipe for today is delicious shrimp fried rice. Add shrimp and fry for 1 minute. Add hot dogs. I've sliced the hot dogs bigger here, you can slice it smaller if you like. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, let's beat 3 eggs, we will put this into our rice later. I will now add the rice. And I will add the eggs. I also add frozen mixed vegetables. Now let's add our sauce mixture, and mix thoroughly, cover and cook for further 2 minutes. I will fry garlic until golden brown. I will put this garlic over the rice later. Oh, I love garlic, do you? If you have not subscribed on my channel yet, please subscribe now so that you will be notified on my new videos.